Finding a mentor is a life journey. That's how I believe. Unless you talk about yourself, what kind of opinions you have towards specific social issues, or what kind of issues you're facing in your career, nobody can help you or provide the advice that you are seeking for. So it's a lifelong journey, but if you want to have a mentor, you should keep talking and keep sharing what kind of issues you are facing and what kind of opinions you are having. I think it's important to have a mentor, but mentors are not the only one to have around you. It can be a supporter, it can be a junior, even junior. You can learn from the younger people too. So it's good if you have a mentors, but it's also good if you have a juniors or supporters around you. You can use the advice by the mentor effectively only if you understand about yourself, because in your life, you are the main character. You know your situation, you know about yourself. Mentor can give you an advice from their perspective, but they never can make a decision. So if you want to make their advice effectively, you need to understand about yourself. And at the end of the day, you're the one who need to make a decision.